The Harmattan season is almost here, so I have the perfect body butter for all skin types to keep your skin glowy, soft, and moisturized. So for this body butter, you're going to be needing hot water, and you're also going to be needing a body oil. And for body oil, I'm using this one from Desire Vitamin C body oil. Okay, it is known for its brightening property, and it also helps to even out the skin tone. And then the next thing for scent, we're going to be using this Vanilla Crush. It is oil based, and this particular one scents like vanilla. Okay, so the next one is this vitamin E capsule, and I'm using the yellow and the blue capsule for its skin repair and nourishing. And also for extra scent, because I want it to scent really good, I'll be using this oil perfume from Touch. This is an oil perfume from Touch, and also I'll be adding it into the body butter. So the last thing, which is the powerhouse, is the shea butter itself. Okay, so I'm using this shea butter, and I'm using this very quantity for the body butter that I want to make. This particular quantity will last me through in December season and January. So now let's get into the video. So into a bowl, I added my hot water, and also I put the shea butter and its container inside so that the shea butter would melt. Okay, but although it's not going to like completely melt, do you understand? You're going to see that in the video. So I would advise that when you are doing yours, when you're making yours, that you add the shea butter into maybe a stainless plate before adding it into a hot bowl. So this is how it looks like. And here I've already gotten the consistency that I need. Half is already melted, and the remaining half is still like, clogged and just still thick like a normal shea butter. So I added it into this mixing bowl. And someone may ask, what if I don't have a mixer? If you don't have a mixer, you can use a whisk. And if you don't have a stand mixer like this, you can use a hand mixer, or you can just use a whisk. It's just that whisks will take you time, like it will take time for it to whip and whip effectively. So here I've already started whipping the shea butter. So I let the mixer do its job by whipping the shea butter very well until it gives me that peak texture. You're going to say that here it is already white, it have changed color, meaning that it is ready. So I went ahead and added the vitamin E capsule. Okay, I added 2 capsules of the yellow one, and I also added 2 capsules of the blue one, making it 4 capsules. So the second thing I went ahead to add was this vitamin C body oil from Desire. So I added 2 cups of it. Okay, I used the cup of the body oil as my measurement. You can go ahead and add as many cups as you like. So once I was done whipping, the next thing I added was this Vanilla Crush body mix, and I added just 1 cup of it. I also added the Touch Oil perfume for extra scent, okay, so that I'll be smelling good all day when I apply this on my skin. So I went ahead to whip again and then mix using a spatula so that everything that I've added to the body butter would mix and mix perfectly, and then I repeat again. Okay, and as you can see on your screen, it is super light and it's so soft. It drops on its own. The consistency is amazing, and it will be super light for your skin to absorb it. Like, it will absorb onto your skin very well. So the best way I use this is after my night bath, I go ahead to apply this body butter onto my skin, and the next morning my skin will still be glowy and radiant, because this particular body butter contains all the properties for moisturizing, hydrating, and brightening. Okay, it contains all the brightening properties that you need to glow for the season. Okay, yes. And if you have watched this particular point of the video and you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Like and share this video to somebody that you know that really needs to glow up this particular season. Okay, and remember to leave a comment in case you're confused on anything that I used or said in this video. I'll be there to answer all your questions. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.
I call her mom what she want. Wash it off when you top me off, you know I'm slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga call us texting.
Stay glowy and bye.